Hi, my name is Kiki St-Onge, and today we're going to be taking a look at the color picker control. The color picker control is very easy to set up, and most of what you could want is already there by default. But we are going to look at how to set it up, the modes that are involved in it, and of course the most important part, which is whatever color that we select, converting that to a brush so that we can use it elsewhere. By default, a color picker looks like this, meaning that it gives you pretty much every control you could want. A color spectrum square, a slider for saturation, opacities, values, hex values, everything you could want in a very detailed custom slider. If you want to simplify this, it's very easy. We have tons of booleans on this, and you can go look at the Windows Style Guide site for all of these. But in general, we're going to simplify this to a ring and a slider for saturation. And it looks like this. We just disable a lot of the default features that you saw on the previous slide and enable it to look like what you see on the left. And now we're going to show you how to enable it. So if you look here, you'll see that this is the color picker that we have. We do have accessibility for naming conventions, as you can see the tooltip that pops up. That will also be read out if you're in narrator mode. And you move it around and you can see the slider down here is changing, and it updates to show you the colors that you're picking. Now we want this button to work where we can select it and we can fill this grid down below. So let's make that happen. So you see right here, we have our button. This is where we want to select the color. We enable a click, and we go into it. And right here, we're going to take our grid, pick the color, background, gets, new, solid brush color. And in here, we're going to do my color picker dot color. It's really that simple. You can also hook it up to a color changed, so you can get an event fire every time the color's changed, but that's not what we're looking at today. We just want that color. We're going to save that and run it. And now you'll see, same color picker, same saturation slider. If we hit select color, you'll see down here that this changes. That doesn't seem like a lot, but that is very important if you want to use the color picker in its full capacity. And that's how you set up a color picker to select the color. Thank you so much.